Every great hospital begins with one promise: precision, safety, and trust. At DHS Medical Logistics, we help healthcare facilities deliver on that promise by providing high-quality medical equipment and hospital infrastructure designed for modern healthcare. From operating theaters and ICUs to laboratories and patient wards, we supply solutions that support efficient, life-saving care every day. With professional installation, technical support, and reliable maintenance, DHS Medical Logistics ensures hospitals operate at the highest standards. In modern hospitals, doors are more than entrances. They are essential for hygiene, safety, and clinical efficiency. Our hospital swing doors are specially designed for operating theaters, ICUs, laboratories, and clean rooms where infection control is critical. The doors feature seamless antibacterial stainless steel panels, making them easy to clean and highly resistant to contamination. Flush-tempered glass observation windows allow safe patient monitoring while maintaining strict hygiene standards. Integrated EPDM rubber sealing strips create an airtight barrier that helps reduce cross-contamination between hospital spaces. This makes them ideal for environments where sterility and controlled airflow are essential. Our automatic swing door operators deliver smooth, quiet, and touch-free operation. With adjustable speeds, intelligent safety sensors, and a lifespan of over 500,000 cycles, they provide reliable performance and improved infection control. Available in single or double leaf designs, the doors can integrate with RFID access systems, biometric locks, or manual operation, making them adaptable to any hospital department. At DHS Medical Logistics, we don't just supply equipment, we deliver reliable healthcare solutions designed for safety, efficiency, and excellence.